Come on, guys, let's make this mashed potatoes in my way. Today we're making mashed potatoes in my way, in a different way. What I did, I used these potatoes to uh, cook match. I decided to go with this. I wanted to go with the golden one, but this is all I had, so I decided that I will use this. So I filled them, and when they were done, transfer them there, and I cut them half so they can cook evenly, because you can wait them like that and match them you like, but because I just wanted to cook evenly later on, and I wanted to be like yellow butter, so that's why I just make them like that, because you might get a perfect color with the golden one, except this yellow something. Yeah, I love them like this though, because they don't have that texture of the gold um, potatoes. But if you want the perfect mashed potatoes, use a gold potatoes. They're the perfect one for this mashed potatoes. The texture and the like taste is so good. But I just have this in my house, so I just decided to use them. And on top of that, I was craving something quick to have, so I just make them like that and I decide to cook them. First, you need to like put cold water before putting them in the stove, so they can cook evenly. Because when you like put them in the boil hot water first, well, when you first put the first batch, it's like cooks not evenly. But when you use cold water to cook them, they cook evenly. And all you need to stir them and like cut them like what I did, and just put a little bit of salt and just let them cook. So that give them about 15 to 20 minutes until your forks can fit through them. Like that, they will be ready, and then you can just drain them. But mine were like overcooked, so it doesn't come like that. But I still like it anyway, because the butter was like, it's like as much so perfect, and I really like the way they turn out to be. So I really love it. So yen panda kachatal I can then chol my potatoes kacham dena kawaja dena katal. So kachalo cham ya ya parado kichaka dam ngat ka kot wa ke ku chap ke twak nan chik twak kashi ka sab a little bit wa ko jom ya a garlic ko ba ko jom ya cha ko ba mi ka tin black pepper ko ba ke jolo much chan to my texture in ya ko ba ko mi ko ba na cha tem ko ba wal tin. Like what I'm doing here is a cup of milk I put, and I put about 2 cloves of garlic and about black pepper to give it that text, to give it that taste. So what I will do, I will match it first, and then what I will do later, I'll put the butter when it's almost done matching. So I like it like that. But you are the kind of person who prepare the butter to go first before the milk does. You can just put your butter before the milk, then add a bit of milk, and then you can just match it and add it as you go with milk. It should be a perfect texture like that. You do it that way. But for me, it's like I like it first to match. Then when it's like almost done, I just add the butter to bring it together, and that would give it more that. Uh, Mine is a little bit more salty because with excess milk, but I like it like that because I'm not having it with vegetable or anything. I'm having it alone, but I decided to have it too with soup. Like for me, I like a soup thing, like something soft. So this one, even a small baby can have. This is the best part of it. And you are new to my channel, welcome. This is Nyajima YouTube. This is Nyajima Kitchen, and here we share different recipes each week. But I decided to be posting only 2 times a month for so that we can share together. Because now I don't feel so good, so sometimes I might not, sometimes I might. But you like this content, you can just subscribe, like, and comment. What was your favorite part, and will you try it? And you will let me know. And this one is so good because it's like so soft and so amazing. So I add butter, and now I will try to make the butter to melt in it, so that it can the food can absorb it. But I feel like it doesn't have enough salt, so I'm adding it more salt to give it the taste, and the butter will mix with it, and I should be having my mashed potatoes soon. And this is how it look. It's so good. So I will serve myself. So I like it butter like this, but you don't like it too much butter like this. It's like a dry. You cannot add too much milk. Just add about a half of glass milk, and should make it more okay. And if you like, you could add all the butter. It depends how you like it, but for me, I love it this way, and I decided to share with you how I like it. And thank you for watching. And I should see you in this video coming up here. You can check the other video in the channel. There's so many delicious video, food, and so many delicious recipe all the way from South Sudan. And now let's taste this amazing dish with the beef rib. And the video of this beef rib is inside this channel. I will link it up here so you guys can click when you guys done watching this. You can watching the beef rib video, and you will like it, I'm telling you. So that's all I made so far, and now I should just taste and let you guys know. But you can have the soup with bread you like, and you can just have the butter, the mashed potatoes alone. And the good thing with mashed potatoes is like so soft, and it's so good. You can even enjoy like that. And the garlic is so strong inside. So see you here. See you in this video here, up here.